Hello students. Last lecture we learned the types of government budget, balanced budget, surplus budget and deficit budget with the formulas of budget. Now I explain you the importance of budget. The last concept lesson is the importance of budget. The importance of budget explained here. The union budget is important because it affects the people and the economy in general in a number of ways. The taxes are the most interesting part of any budget. The taxes determine the fate of business and individuals. The level of disposable income of the taxpayers depends on the tax rates presented in the budget. So the tax is the important way of the budget. The taxes determine the fate of the business and individuals. The government expenditure on the various heads such as the defense, administration, infrastructure, education and health care, etc. So government expend the money of the all type of the sources like the defense, administration, infrastructure, education and healthcare facilities, etc. So affects the lives of the citizens overall the economy. Also the budget is important part of the government used to the medium for the implementing the economic policy in the country. When the time of government implement the different type of policy according to finance system, that time also uses the budget because the budget playing the important role the implementing of economic policy in the country. So budgetary action of the government affects the production size and the distribution of the income and utilization of the human and material sources of the economy. There is the scope and importance of the public finance in the modern economy has undergone and the immense change since the last 100 years. So the budget is the important part and important playing the role in the system of the taxes, the government policies, then the different type of sources because the government spend of money of different type of sources. So that time the implementation of the policies and the different type of the uh, implementaries like the economic activities so uses the budget because the budget is an important part of the economic growth and development. So our modern economics is use the finance system is public finance system and give to the importance of the public finance. So government use the most of money of the public finance and different type of sources. So the scope and importance of the public finance in the modern economy has undergone and the immense change in last 100 years. So the importance of budget is the union budget is important the effect on the economic general levels. Then the tax determine the business and individual feds. Then level of income and taxpayers depends upon the presented budget of government. So government expenditure on the various heads like the defense, administration, infrastructure, education and health facilities. So all affects the lives of the citizens and the overall economy. So budget also they playing important role in the government use in the medium of implementing is a different type of policies. So students, here I completed the lesson public expenditure, then the components of the uh, finance. So here complete the lesson. Here I showing you the exercise page like the same as the last lesson. Choose the correct option. Then second question distinguish between. Number third is the agree or disagree. Number four question is the read the passage and give the answers. And number fifth is answer the following question and answer in details. So students, I hope so you better understood the lesson. Lesson is important. I explain you each and every point of the public finance in India. So students, now today's we are going to start the new lesson, the lesson number 9, the money market and capital market. The money market and capital market, the most important concept of our economic activities. Without money and capital do not create any facilitate or implementations of the government development. So here I introduce the lesson, the money market and capital market in India. Introduction. The finance is the backbone of an economy. All of you know that the finance system is the important and the backbone of an economy in modern times also. The finance basically refers to management of money. It includes the funds needed by the individuals, business, houses, government, various purposes. These are finance categories as a personal finance, corporate finance, and the public finance. The different type of categories mentioned here: the public, private, and the corporate finance. The financial system of the country is responsible for the mobilization and allocation of funds. It helps to creations of the wealth, which a vital role in economic development of the country. So finance system is important in the India, comprises of the financial institution, financial market, financial instruments, and financial services. So here I explain the introduction about the finance, money market, and capital market is important concept of the economic growth and development. So finance, it is the backbone of an economy. Without finance, do not create any implementation of mobilization allocation of funds. So finance helps in the creation of wealth, which is vital role in the economic growth and development in the country. Here mention and showing the chart of Indian financial system. The Indian financial system is classified the four groups: financial institutions, financial market, financial instrument, and financial service. This chapter deals exclusively with the financial markets in India. So financial market are and the important component of the financial system. So here mention the meaning of the financial market. I explain you the After introduction, I explain you the meaning of financial market in India. The financial market refers to a market where the sale and purchase of the financial assets like the bonds, stocks, derivatives, government securities, foreign currencies, etc. is undertaken. The financial market operate through the banks, non-banking financial institutions, brokers, mutual funds, discount houses, etc. The financial markets include two distinct markets, that is the money market and capital market. So here explain the meaning of the finance market. They mention the finance system. There are the two type of finance market: money market and capital market. The finance asset, the sale and purchase of the financial assets like the bonds, stocks, derivatives, government securities, foreign currencies is undertaken the finance system. All the examples in the undertaken the finance system. The financial market operate the all bank or non-banking financial institutions, brokers, mutual funds, discount houses, etc. So here mention the financial market includes the two distinct markets, that is the money market and capital market. The both is the important of financial market system is money market and capital market. Here showing the financial market, there are two main types of the distinct of markets of the financial system is the money market and capital market. So students, here I explain you the introduction of money market and capital market and the meaning of financial market. The next lecture we will start the structure of money market in India with the organized and unorganized sectors. I hope so you better understood the introduction and the meaning of the financial market. If you have any doubts about the Lesson number 8, public finance in India. Then you ask me clearly. Thank you.